Who among us as a child has never found a piece of sweet coal in their Christmas stocking? Today, I have decided to share this very simple recipe with you. For this recipe, you will need 130 grams of granulated sugar, 40 grams of water, 40 grams of powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of egg white and black food coloring. Additionally, you will need a small bowl, a kitchen thermometer, and a sheet of aluminum foil. The first step will be to line the bowl with aluminum foil. I put the granulated sugar and water in a saucepan with a heavy bottom. I let it cook until the syrup reaches 130 degrees Celsius. I check with a kitchen thermometer. While the syrup cooks, I mix the powdered sugar with the egg white and coloring until it becomes fluffy. As soon as the syrup reaches the right temperature, I take the pot off the heat and pour in half a teaspoon of food coloring and immediately add 2 tablespoons of black grease. I mix well using a wooden spoon. I wait for the mixture to magically increase in volume. At this point, I immediately pour the mixture into the prepared bowl. Let it cool to room temperature, then I break it into pieces and put it in the Befana stocking. The sweet coal is ready. It's the best way to celebrate Epiphany. You can make it in any color. It keeps well in tin boxes. Goodbye and see you next time.